In this video, we have learned that how greed can reduce your profit. Nice profit you have earned, but we reduced it because of the greed. So 5,000 rupees and above is nice per day, but still I thought that I should go for 10,000. But anyway, we are learning, all learning. Good morning, friends. Today it is 13th April 2026. Today is Monday. So after 2 days of holidays, Saturday, Sunday, today market is opening. Let's have a look at the global markets. US market is Dow Jones is quite heavy down, about 351 points, and UK is little down. GIFT Nifty is about 457 points down, and Japan is 600 points down. Hang Seng is about 261 points down. So it seems like the Indian markets will be also open gap down. Let's see. The time is now is 9:23. Indian markets are already open. So let's have a look. So friends, now it is 9:26 and we can see that market has opened gap down, and as of now it is inside the range of the first candle, first 5 minute candle. So we will wait for some time, at least a 130-minute candle we will check to find out whether it is range bound or it's going to take some trend. So in the PE lines, as the market is down, P, the blue line, that is 9 EMA is up. So it shows that it is going to be positive in that way, and the RSI also below 45, so that is also correct. So let us wait for some time till we have the first 30-minute passed. So friends, now it is 9:48. So this is today's vertical line, starts from here. But if we see that today the high is 23,699 and the low is 23,555. The market has not yet broken either the day's high or day's low. This is point number one. Point number two is that though RSI is below 45, the PE index is not yet in the range, though it is coming in the range. But here the market is absolutely in the center of today's high and low. So the theta decay will be very effective. It's a very appropriate time to take a trade in PE. But the market, there is no volatility in the market. So that is why I'm waiting for some time. And in the meantime, I have created alerts in Kite that if Nifty crosses to 23,700 or breaks the high, to day's high, and breaks the day's low, then I will get a alarm. So you can see that I'm not finding any correct position to take a trade. So let's wait for some time. If I get something, I will definitely come back. So friends, in PE, trade was shaping up. So I was waiting for the bounce back, and you can see that it is actually, I would have lost money if I had taken this. So friends, it's 10:20 now, 10:19. Still now, the market has not broken the range. It's still inside the range, and no trade is shaping up. Here one was shaping up. I was waiting for the bounce back, but it has actually gone down. So I have not taken a trade as of now. So friends, it's 10:21. Now you can see that it has broken with a strong bar and with a force. It's not yet closed, but it's trying to break. If it can break or it comes back, because here in the CE, the blue line is not yet up above the red line. But in the PE chart, there is a crossover happened. So blue line is now below the red line in PE chart. So let us concentrate on the CE chart. Let's see what's happening. Here the RSI is below 45. So our strategy is not meeting up, but let's see what's happening. Let this candle close and open a new one, and let's see whether it's a false breakout or real breakout. The market here is downtrend. RSI is below 45. So actually there is the strategy is not being met to take a trade. So it may be a false breakout, but let's see. So it has closed above today's high, and another green candle is coming up. Here in the C chart, we can see that a crossover has happened. So blue line is above the red line, but let another 1-2 candles form. This is a 5-minute candle, and it was quite strong candle. Here you can see, friends, that the third candle is trying to be above the day's high, and in the C section, I was waiting for a bounce back. So bounce back has happened, but the RSI over here is still not giving a signal of going up. This is point one. Point number two is the Nifty EMA is showing that it's a downtrend, not uptrend yet. So to take a trade in C as per our strategy, this blue line has to be above red line in Nifty 50 chart. RSI should be above 55, and in the PE or C chart, the blue line is up. So only one condition is being fulfilled now, not the other two. So that is why I am not taking the trade. And you see, if I had taken a trade, then okay, the stop loss would have hit. See, here we can say that bounce back has happened, but still we are not taking a trade because the main chart is showing downtrend and RSI is below 45. So friends, you can see that I have added a floating clock over here. The name of that Chrome extension is floating digital clock for zero the kite. So I was looking for a floating kite so that it becomes easy for you to watch it. So I've got a floating clock for kite itself, and that's why I have installed it. Now in the chart you can see that it's again going to come back. It's not able to cross this blue line, EMA 20, and RSI is also low. It was an ideal situation to take a trade, but it again broken down. Here the PE is taking shape. If it breaks this day's high, then there may be a chance to go down or to take a trade in PE. But let it first break. It may bounce back and go up. It may cross it and go down. If it bounces back, then the market may take an uptrend. But we will take a trade only if the EMA 20 is above 50 and RSI is above 55. We'll try to follow this unless we get some very good trade opportunity. So friends, it's 11:11 now. Market is still not going anywhere, though it has broken the day high. It had tried to break the EMA 20 line, but there is absolutely no volatility. You can see if I had taken a trade over here, this was the right place to take a trade. Okay, this had given five points, but you never know when it will come back. So if I had waited here with the stop loss somewhere over here, then it would have again I would have met a stop loss. So still now I'm just holding and waiting for something good to happen. Here it comes a strong candle. The RSI is also moving up. It is 53 now. This is also a very long candle. This looks long candle. Actually, it is only, see, low high. If you see, it is 10 point from low to high. So if you take it that you have entered at 312 or 11, then it has reached about 29 points. So 10 points you can say. Here it says 10 points also. And it's a right place to take a trade. But the RSI is not yet above 55. I don't mind losing some trade opportunities, but I want to follow the strategy. Oh no, a big move had come and somebody had come. So I was not there in the seat. So 315 to 330 or 20 points of lead I have missed. Somebody had come at this point only. Anyway, actually, friends, this was a right place to take a trade, and I actually missed it. So if it comes back to the blue line next time, I will definitely do. Everything is fine over there except this blue line is still below the red line. That means EMA 20 is still below EMA 50, and RSI is good at 61. Okay, so let it come back over here and bounce back. Say it is 12:16 now. It is nearly 3 hours I'm sitting. So friends, I'm planning to take a trade over here around say 315, 315.60 C trade, 23,800 and 8 lots. Let's take a trade over there, 2315.60. Has it reached 315.60? Yes, it has reached. So let us take a trade over there. Though here is a big red candle over here, but it, in my opinion, it's going to take a support over here. And the stop loss is 310.60. And target is, oh, I will not put the target, 319.50. So stop loss is still at 310. So 320 it has reached. When it goes to 325, I will make the stop loss 315 if it goes to 325. So here is my stop loss. So it is 330. So 330 means I am putting stop loss at 320. Okay. 320 is my stop loss. So I will make it 325 stop loss. The red line you are seeing here, before I made this stop loss to 325. Okay. If it goes to 335, I will shift my stop loss to 330. Okay. My stop loss I'm making 330. Okay. $329 is hit my stop loss. Okay. So I have made 15 points. So add orders manually. So this is 21st April, 23,800 buy. Lot size is 520 and price was 315.60. Exit orders manually and exit price was 330. So I've made 7,500 rupees about as of now. Okay. So shall I take another trade? I think I should take another trade. Let this crossover happen. Okay, if this crossover happen and RSI is in a good position, this is also in good position, then there is a chance to market to go up. But here is some kind of resistance. So here we can see that there is some strong resistance here at 23,840. EMA cross is very close by, so there is a chance that very soon it will cross and go up. Though RSI faces down because of this red candle. Actually, I'm looking for 5 points only. So that will make me total earning of 10,000 rupees. So that is why I'm waiting. If I can make 5 points of 528 lots, then 2,500 rupees if I can earn. So friends, I don't know. I pause the video. So I bought a C at 333.75 and my stop loss is 328. I'm actually looking for 5 points. Very strong trend. I think it is going to go down because PE is trending. Yes, it is hit. Oh no, I lost 5 points. Buy 2, add orders manually, 23,800. 21st April, 800. Okay, buy. It is 520. Add. The price was how much? 333.75. And exit orders manually. I hit the stop loss at 328. So I made a loss of 3,000 rupees. I wanted to make a profit of 2,500 and ultimately I made a loss of this thing. Actually, this greediness kill people. I was making a profit of 7,500. I should have been very happy with that and go home. Enjoy my day. Unnecessarily, I made another loss of 3,000 for wanting to get a profit of another 2,500. So friends, as you can see, the market is not going anywhere, but otherwise, I'm quite happy with what I have got as of now. 4,500 rupees I have earned. I made 7,500, but I made a loss of 3,000 rupees. This trade I took just to earn another 5 points so that I could make it 10,000 rupees profit. So that was the greed that had worked for me, which is not correct. Now still, if I am waiting to recover this 3,000 rupees loss. That is also very bad because out of three trades, I have made profit of one trade and lost in one trade. And the scenery as of now is not very strong that I take another trade now. So friends, I have decided not to take another trade. So I'm signing off as of today with a profit of 4,500 rupees. So we are signing off as of now. Thank you, and we'll see you again day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday, Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti on 14th of April. So maybe on 15th I will again come back to you with a new trade. Thank you so much.